Welcome to your home garage, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to detail and protect your tire. Now first off, I'm not promoting these products, nor is this a sponsored video from Gyeon Tire or Gyeon Tire Cleaner. I'm just a fan of the products and just want to focus on illustrating the process of cleaning and protecting your tire. So we'll start off with a highly effective tire and rubber cleaner. This will remove all the old dressing along with deep accumulated contamination with ease. So what you want to do is spray this generously on a wet tire and agitate with a medium to stiff brush. And then simply let it dwell and rinse. This tire cleaner is a unique formula designed to cleanse all rubber elements of your car. It'll soak deeply into the porous structure of the material and loosen all that accumulated dirt and contamination. And what it's doing is simply preparing the surface prior to a quality dressing. Gyeon's tire cleaner is completely safe on ceramic coated rims, not interfering with the protective layer or reducing its hydrophobicity. And it could be used as a regular daily wheel cleaner as well. So we'll scrub it the first go around and then reapply the cleaner to see if the suds turn white. This is key to ensure that all the contaminants are removed. And one of the most common mistakes when cleaning the tire is not checking to see if the tire is fully degreased. If you've ever wondered why your tires turn brown, the real cause is the process called blooming. This blooming or tire browning occurs because of an element added to the rubber called antioxidant. And it saves the tires from prematurely drying and cracking due to the process of oxidation. So it is a continuing process that can be prevented by thoroughly cleaning and protecting the tires. And tires bloom because antioxidants pushes its way to the outer edge of the rubber casing with time. And as the element comes into contact with oxygen, it leaves a brown residue on the surface of the tire. And antioxidants are organic and helps the tire last longer as it slows deterioration due to oxidation. In addition, new tires may bloom relatively quickly due to the manufacturing process, and this is tied back to the mold and the way the tire is actually released. So now that we've finished our first cleaning process, we'll go ahead with a quick rinse. And now we'll go ahead with a second spray and scrub to make sure the suds actually turn white, and what that means is that all the contamination is removed. And as I was mentioning the molds during the manufacturing process, some of those molds use a non-stick lubricant that help to release the ready tires from the forms freely. And some of that lubrication usually remains on the tires, so they may contribute to the blooming process after a couple of weeks of driving. So this second round of cleaning is producing all white suds, and that tells me that all contamination is removed so we can move forward with the tire dressing process. And we'll just make sure we rinse the tire one more time. Now before you start applying the product, we're going to increase the durability, and what we're going to do is we're going to use a hair dryer to open the pores and then apply the product with an applicator. Now Gyeon Tire is the world's first and only SiO2 based tire coating, so silica based, which basically means you get the look of a water based dressing and the durability of a silicone based dressing, and you don't get all that sling and mess that comes with it. And you really appreciate it if you drive a white car. It also improves the look of the sidewall by making it look enameled. And that look even lasts longer well after the deterioration of the hydrophobic effect on the tire. And if you want maximum depth, just put on a heavier coat. Wait about 15 minutes and then give it a good wipe to remove all the excess from the application. And then let it sit or cure overnight for extended durability. So now you're armed with the latest techniques to completely clean and protect your tires. And make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, of course sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I comment to all, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.